Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to be walking you through exactly how you can connect Shop2woo plugin to your WooCommerce so that you can be able to import your product from Shopify to WooCommerce. It's very simple and very straightforward. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to actually get your WooCommerce plugin, which is very simple. The first thing is to connect, like export your product from Shopify as a JSON file. Then the second method is to set up your API key, which is WooCommerce REST API key, which is very simple and very straightforward. Then you can be able to import your product directly from Shopify to your WooCommerce store. So let me show you the first thing you're supposed to do. So you're going to click on Get Started over here. Click on Get Started to be able to download this plugin from Shop2 official website. So you're going to click on it, buy this particular plugin, which is going to cost you just $19, compared to other of our competitor, which charge around $67 to $100. For this Shop2woo plugin, so you're going to pay just $19. You can pay with your credit card or you can pay with PayPal. So I've already gotten this Shop2woo plugin on my website. So I've already downloaded, as you can see, this is the plugin over here, which I've downloaded. So all I have to do is to go over to my WordPress dashboard, go over to plugin. So I'm going back to plugin over here, then click on add a new plugin. So I'm going to add a new plugin to add a new upload this particular plugin. So click on upload a plugin. Then I'm going to choose the file that I've downloaded. So this is the file over here. Then click on it, open the plugin. So I'm going to then click on open, so then install. So after you've installed this plugin, you can start using the plugin. The first thing you are supposed to do is to actually set up your plugin with your WooCommerce so that they can be able to connect with your API key to start importing products from Shopify to WooCommerce. So for you to do that, what you're going to do is to locate your WooCommerce, which you've already installed on your WordPress website. So then click on a settings over here, click on settings, which is very, very important. Click on settings, then you are going to locate advanced settings. So this is the advanced settings, click on advanced settings. Then as you can see, we actually land on this page, which is the page of your REST API for you to generate your REST API for you to use on your Shop2 plugin. So we are going to click on the REST AP to start generating your API key. So as you can see, we've already generated a lot of API key to show you exactly how it works. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let me try to generate another API key to show you exactly how it works. So if in your own case, you are not going to see any API key because you have not generated any API key yet. So all you have to do is to click on Add a new API key for you to generate a fresh and a new API key. So you can decide to name your API key any name you have intention of naming it. So let's assume that I said testing, demo. So that should be the name of the API key. Then you're going to choose your admin email, which is over here. Then straight down a little bit to change the permission. So if you actually want it to read, it's not going to import the product, add it to a purpose appropriate place, but the best way to achieve the permission is to click on it, then click on read or write. So this is the permission to be able to read or write the information you are importing from other third party to your WooCommerce website. So I'm going to click on a read and write, then generate an API key. So as you can see, our API key has been generated successfully. So the next thing is to connect this particular API key to Shop2woo before you can start importing products from Shopify to WooCommerce. So I'm going back to my WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website name. I'm going to click on the dashboard. So you're going to open it, another tab, so that you can be able to work within the tab. So as you can see, we've already installed our Shop2woo plugin. So we are going over to Shop2woo, then click on settings over here, click on settings on our Shop2woo that we installed and we bought from Shop2woo official website, which is your website link. You are going to actually add your website link, which is very, very important. So the next thing is to go over to your API key you generated. So over here we have our customer key, copy our customer key, then come over to Shop2woo over here, then actually paste the customer key. Then the next thing we're going to do is to go over to our customer secret key. So copy your customer secret key, come over to Shop2 once again, so then actually paste it over here. So then click on save. So we are actually done with integration of a shop to WooCommerce by getting our WooCommerce REST API key. So it's very simple and very straightforward. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually export all your product from Shopify as JSON file for you to upload it to your WordPress website. As like you can import like 500 depending on how many products are inside your WordPress website. With this particular Shop2woo plugin, you can be able to do it without any problem. So it's going to import all your products from Shopify to WooCommerce. I'm going to drop the link to Shop2 inside the video description. It's going to be the first link inside the video description. Ensure you check it out and use it to import your product from Shopify to Woo. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.